Unlocking your ECU with Autotuner is a simple mail-in process. It typically takes 48 hours from the time you send your ECU till you have it back. We're going to walk you through that process. Purchase the ECU Unlock. Just go to us.autotuner.com/unlock. Find the RS3 ECU Unlock. We'll then send you a shipping label in your email, typically during normal business hours. The first thing to note, when you remove the ECU, you cannot drive the vehicle, so park your car in a secure location. We also recommend disconnecting the negative terminal on the battery. The battery is in the trunk, and it takes a 10mm socket to remove the negative terminal. The ECU is on the driver's side of the vehicle. The first thing you want to do is find these two connectors and pull down on the hinge that's at the top of it. Slide it out of the way. The second hinge is difficult to reach. It is below the ECU connector. You lift up. Move the connectors out of the way and locate the plastic tab at the top of the ECU and lift it up. The ECU will slide out. The correct ECU for this unlock will say Bosch MG1 CS163 Hardware 80. We recommend safely packaging the ECU in a 14 by 13 by 6 inch box, or you can use one of our safe and secure hard cases. Take your ECU to a UPS access point, which can be a UPS store, a CVS, and many other locations. Find them at locations.ups.com. If you don't have a box or a printer, you can often get all the supplies at this location. We have our ECU back. We just got it from Autotuner. It's unlocked and ready to go, so we're going to put it back into the car. To reinstall the ECU, we're going to reverse this process. First, slide the ECU in. You may need to lift up on the plastic tab that securely puts it into place. Now we're going to put the bottom connector on. As you can see, the orientation here. Now we'll do the top connector. Finally, reconnect the battery. First time you get in the car and you fire it up, you might have a few lights on the dash. That's totally normal. Just give it a few drive cycles and everything will clear out. Now that the ECU is unlocked, it's time to have fun. We know how important custom features are to you on this platform specifically, so we've added advanced functionality during our virtual read. Our virtual read now pulls both the ASW and the calibration sector. This will allow your tuner to add custom features to the ECU, such as high-speed data logging, map switching, flex fuel support, or rolling anti-lag, whatever you can dream up. This is supported both on the Autotuner 1 and the Autotuner tool over OBD. The Autotuner tool also supports flashing over bench. And since it can flash over bench, if you're ever locked again in the field from, say, a dealer update or flashing back to stock, anybody with an Autotuner tool can bench unlock you again, all without sending your ECU back to us. Lastly, the OBD port is totally open on this ECU, so we don't do anything to lock out other tuners. If you want to change your ecosystem, totally up to you. The 2.5T is one of everybody's favorite Audi engines, and with now having it unlocked, we just can't wait to see what you're going to do. So please tag us on social media, and thank you for following along.